Hello everyone. After my Shri Yantra drawing tutorial, many of you asked, how should we color a Shri Yantra? In today's video, I will show 4 traditional color styles, explain what each one represents. Before we start coloring, it's important to know that there is no single mandatory color for Shri Yantra. Different traditions and artists use different color combinations, each with its own symbolism and purpose. We will start with the basic color, black on white background. Black symbolizes clarity and precision, while white represents purity, simplicity, and peace. This classic combination is often chosen for studying the geometry of the Shri Yantra and for meditation. The strong contrast makes every line and intersection stand out clearly, helping the mind focus on the design. Another traditional form is a Shri Yantra embossed on a copper plate. Here I have tried to recreate that traditional copper Shri Yantra using a pearl copper color. Many Shri Yantras used for worship are made on copper plates, which is why this appearance is so familiar. Its warm metallic tone gives the Shri Yantra a timeless, elegant, and traditional look. Our next style is metallic gold on a black background. Personally, I find this to be one of the most elegant and visually striking ways to present a Shri Yantra. Gold symbolizes divine light, prosperity, and abundance, while black background beautifully enhances the brilliance of the gold, allowing every geometric detail to stand out. This combination is especially popular in sacred geometry artwork because of its rich, timeless, and premium appearance. Our final style is my personal favorite, red and gold. This traditional color combination is commonly associated with the worship of the divine goddess, especially goddess Mahalakshmi and goddess Lalita Tripura Sundari. Here red symbolizes Shakti, the divine feminine energy. It also represents devotion, strength, and the life force, while gold represents prosperity, abundance, divine blessings, and spiritual light. Together, these colors give it a magically vibrant and rich appearance. For me, the red and gold combination has truly devotional and timeless appeal. It is one of the most beautiful and traditional ways to present a Shri Yantra.